In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable desktop notifications in Google Meet. If you've ever found yourself in the middle of a meeting only to be distracted by those pesky notifications popping up on your screen, this video will guide you through turning them off. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure it's crystal clear. First, let's begin by opening Google Meet in your preferred web browser. Once you're in Google Meet, you'll notice three dots located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. These three dots are your gateway to additional options, so go ahead and click on them. This action will open a drop-down menu that gives you a range of choices. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for and select the option labeled Settings. By clicking on Settings, you're opening up a new window where you can personalize your Google Meet experience to better suit your needs. It's amazing how just a few adjustments can really streamline your meeting time. After entering the settings window, direct your attention to the General tab. This is where all the basic yet crucial settings for Google Meet are kept. Selecting General will present you with several options that help customize your notifications and other basic settings for a seamless and less disruptive meeting experience. Now, the key step comes into play. You're going to want to look for the option that reads Desktop Notification. This option is typically switched on by default, as Google Meet wants to ensure you don't miss any important alerts. However, we're here today to turn that function off and keep distractions at bay. You'll notice a toggle switch right next to the desktop notification label. Click on it. The toggle will move from the on position to the off position. This simple movement is the key to turning off those on-screen distractions. With the toggle switched off, you've successfully disabled desktop notifications for Google Meet. You can now return to your meetings and enjoy a more focused, uninterrupted experience. Of course, at any point, if you decide that you want these notifications back or you miss a timely reminder, you can always revisit these steps and toggle the setting back on. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Regularly revisiting your Google Meet settings can enhance the overall efficiency and experience of your meetings. Customizing your preferences means you can make Google Meet work best for you. And there you have it. Disabling desktop notifications in Google Meet is simple and quick, ensuring that you can maintain focus during those important meetings. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks.